morning, everyone. It's Susanette Escapes. I've checked into Breathless Soul in Cancun. So follow along and let's see what we see at this adult-only chic resort. We are just checking into room 2301. This is a beautiful double occupancy room at Breathless Soul. Double beds, lots of fluffy pillows, iPad to check the day's activities, all the buttons for your fan and your lights, and they've given us a lovely bottle of champagne and balcony with a tub. Little sofa, Nespresso machine, glasses, Pringles, M&Ms. This is one of the many pools at Breathless Soul in Cancun and Hotel Zone. It's early morning and not many people are claiming their chairs, but it is a beautiful morning in April 2024. My room was on the 23rd floor and ocean facing and beautiful views. There are fire pits at the end, and this is a designated smoking area. Coquette, French cuisine, spumante, Italian specialties. This is the wedding office where you will meet with your wedding planner 2 days before your wedding. I'm having breakfast buffet in Spoon. Chocolate butter, orange and rosemary butter, butter with fine herbs, garlic butter, mustard butter, red wine and shallots butter. My goodness, that sounds delicious. Gluten-free bread. Lox with cream cheese, black olives, variety of cured fish, pork style chicken. Good morning. Omelet station, scrambled eggs, egg surprise, hard boiled, bacon, hash browns, sausages, corn tortilla, refried beans, chicken, beef, Oaxaca chicken with mole, cold cereal, fruit and vegetables for smoothies, soy, dairy-free, whole milk, juices, grilled vegetables, rosemary potatoes, oh that sounds good, French toast, pancakes, cinnamon buns, biscuit, Argentinian chorizo, Mexican sausage, burger meat, fried plantain, hot chocolate, green juice, pineapple, this is a lovely buffet with a marvelous selection, and we can start with champagne and orange juice or a Bloody Mary or a Caesar. Well, good morning. This is the lobby of Breathless Soul in Hotel Zone, adult only, 5-star luxury. They do have premium brands of alcohol. And this is called Wink Lobby Bar. It's Susanette Escapes. I hope you've enjoyed my tour of Breathless Soul in Cancun. It's a resort that offers different levels of activity. If you want to be quiet, you can. If you want activity and some music, they offer it as well. It's a sophisticated chic resort, high-rise, easy to navigate, beautiful rooms, great pools. So if you want to enjoy an adult-only 5-star resort in Cancun, check out Breathless.